Did Elon Musk just try to tank Bitcoin yesterday? I mean, bro, what the f? Truth be told, I've always been skeptical of Elon Musk's relationship with cryptocurrency. Obviously, the guy enjoys the power that he wields on Twitter, and to be honest, once you get to that level of success and notoriety, then sure, it comes with some rewards, like being able to sway the markets with one tweet. But in this video, I want to dig a little bit deeper into some of the facts that we know so far, and what I suspect Elon Musk is doing with that Bitcoin tweet. But before I do, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Traveling Trader. If you get anything out of this video, leave it a big fat thumbs up. Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what you think his motives are with this tweet that I'm about to show you. So not even 24 hours ago, Elon Musk tweeted Tesla and Bitcoin and left a note with a little bit more detail, saying that Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Now, on its face, it looks like he's trying to keep in line with the mission statement of Tesla. However, let us remind Elon, for those of us who have been in crypto forever, we are now considered crypto veterans, some of us at least. Fun fact, before YouTube started threatening crypto channels, we did a lot more crypto on this channel back in 2017-18. But that's another story for another video. So while this tweet may look like on its face that Elon is concerned about fossil fuels, Bitcoin's core technology has not changed in 13 years. It always required a shit ton of electricity to mine Bitcoin. Now, obviously, after the Bitcoin halvings, it gets harder and harder to mine Bitcoin, but that has been the core technology, or the core way in which you mine Bitcoin has not changed for 13 years. Elon is smart enough to know this. So I'm extremely skeptical here of this tweet. Now, this definitely caused a shitstorm online. You could see that one of the top trending hashtags right now on Twitter is "Don't buy Tesla." And you got interesting folks like David Portnoy who are accusing Elon of trying to tank Bitcoin. Let's see what he's got to say and respond to it.
Elon Musk just tried to tank Bitcoin. Yeah, the same Elon Musk who had Bitcoin on Tesla's spreadsheet in their balance sheet so Tesla could show profit at the end of a quarter because they're not selling cars. Now suddenly Bitcoin's bad. Yeah, he sold some of it, but it's bad for the environment. The same guy's been pulling the levers like the Wizard of Oz on crypto, and everyone following his every move. He's sending Dogecoin up. He's sending Bitcoin down. This is bullshit. This is and I used to be an Elon fanboy. I really did. Even after he fucking tanked Tesla's stock back in the day when he tweeted out famously it was too high. It dropped 10% in like 2 seconds.
All right, so here's what I was talking about at the outset of the video, that a lot of Elon Musk tweets are part of a larger campaign, right? They're part of a bigger plan. So when Elon tweeted that Tesla's stock price was too high, what he was likely trying to signal was that Tesla's stock is going to split soon. And a couple of months after he tweeted that, Tesla actually announced a 5-for-1 split. So while I don't really have enough information to agree with Dave that Elon was actually deliberately trying to crash Bitcoin, Elon is smart enough to know that what he tweeted would actually crash Bitcoin. So maybe there was a more elegant way, actually I know as a matter of fact, there was a more elegant way of alerting the public as to the electricity costs and how inefficient Bitcoin mining could be. You could see he tried to soften the blow in his tweet here by saying Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. Here is where I think the key lies. So as I said, oftentimes when Elon Musk tweets, it is part of a 3D chess, larger plan sort of thing. He knows exactly what he's doing, which to Dave's point is why he was tweeting about Doge left and right, because he thinks it's funny pulling the levers and the gears of this cryptocurrency market, which is unregulated, because he knows he can. The tweet before the Bitcoin tweet, the day before, he said, "Do you want Tesla to accept Doge?" So he clearly knows what he's doing. Doge is a complete meme coin, even though, yes, you can make a lot of money trading it, but in terms of fundamentals, it's just a complete meme coin and everybody knows it, including the former creator of Doge. Anyway, back to Elon's tweet. So what I think he's doing here, or what I think he plans on doing, is he's going to now come up with a solution, some grand solution as to how he is going to solve the Bitcoin mining problem in terms of costs, both monetarily, but also electricity costs in terms of energy usage. Elon is going to be the one that solves this. Now, I could be completely wrong, and this is his way of appeasing the board members who might not approve of Tesla putting a large amount of cash into Bitcoin, and eventually he's going to ease this out. I think they put between 8 and 10% of their cash reserves in Bitcoin. I was always suspicious about Elon's conviction in Bitcoin because when I tried to buy a Model S, when I heard that they accepted Bitcoin, and I tried to buy one of the new Model S's, this is a screenshot from their site back when they used to accept Bitcoin. I took the screenshot specifically because I was going to make a video on it, but I noticed that you can only buy cars that ship next year with card. You cannot buy it with Bitcoin. The only cars that you were able to buy with Bitcoin were the ones that shipped this year. So my suspicion was that, hey, they don't really have a high conviction in Bitcoin over the long term, and they're afraid that Bitcoin will tank next year. Hence, they won't allow you to buy cars that ship next year. So I ended up not buying the car because they wouldn't let me buy it with Bitcoin, and I really didn't want to drive an SUV, which I could have bought with Bitcoin. And yes, for all those that are going to put it in the comment section, I know that 165 G's is a lot of money, right? But I've been buying Bitcoin since the beginning of 2017. As I said, this channel used to be a Bitcoin channel. Fun fact, I actually did a video in 2019 saying Bitcoin will go up to 55K in the next rally. It only had 3,000 views. I had a very small channel back then, and you can see I did it on August 20th, 2019. Now, I got, mostly good reviews on this for the 3,000 people that watched it. I bet you more than 3,000 people now wish they watched that video, but anyway. Again, that's a story for another video. So yes, I thought it would be fun to throw 3 Bitcoin and get this fully decked out Model S Plaid. Anyway, point is Tesla wouldn't accept any Bitcoin for models that shipped beyond this year. And the last thing I'll say on this is that Anthony Pompliano, who's one of the more respected cryptocurrency experts, one of the more respected figures in this space, very level-headed. If he says anything about this space, I normally listen. And I was watching this video. He was a guest on CNBC, and he shares the same suspicion that I have with regards to Elon potentially entering the renewable energy space to make Bitcoin mining more efficient. Let's just hear the little bit of what he has to say about that.
I think that what we're going to see here is that this is going to be a launching pad for Tesla to eventually launch a renewable power mining rig or some sort of mining equipment. And so I think that this is actually just part of a marketing ploy by Tesla, draw attention to the issue, and then come up with a solution and kind of save the day. But it's important to remember, Elon Musk did not sell any Bitcoin because of this.
So there you have it. I completely agree that based on Elon's antics in the past and this last sentence here where, Elon was saying Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, blah, 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 and will restore taking Bitcoin as a purchase tool when mining transitions to more sustainable energy, meaning he's likely going to find a solution for this. Now, needless to say that Elon has a lot of influence in the space. Bitcoin's price dropped by over 12% today. You could see on the weekly chart that it's sitting at the 21 EMA. I think that as long as this level here is maintained, then Bitcoin's price has great support here. And this is a buy the dip situation, not financial advice. Do your own research. But in my view, sitting at the 21 EMA here on the weekly, we've seen almost the same exact pattern the last super bull cycle back in July 2017 when we broke out of the long accumulation pattern, retested the 21 EMA and continued higher. So as long as Bitcoin is above the 21 EMA, I mean, I'm just holding it here. And for those of you who don't have any Bitcoin, who've always wondered when is a good time to get in, I mean, right now you're buying it at support and you could set a stop limit below the 21 EMA if you are a short-term trader. Funny enough, Tesla's stock price is also down 3% today due to angry sellers who thought that he was on their side, now taking it out on the stock. But hey guys, if you have conviction on Tesla, you are only hurting yourself by selling here. Obviously, do what you will. However, if you're just selling out of anger, I would urge you not to introduce so much emotion into your long-term investing strategy. But everyone has their own moral compass and their own ethics code, and I can't tell you what to do. That is just my view. Anyway, traders, hopefully this shed some light on the Bitcoin Elon situation. If you got anything out of this video, leave it a big fat thumbs up just like this. And let me know in the comment section if you want to see more crypto content out of this channel. As I said, if you go back to my videos like 2019 and before YouTube started banning crypto channels or threatening them, I used to do a lot more crypto content. You can see I have hundreds of videos on cryptocurrency, and happy to bring it back if that is what the public wills. We also still have the crypto section alive in the Discord as well. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Stay safe out there, traders. Peace.